Hey just welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool this one right here, and basically what this is a cotton roll basket. They basically use like a nursery basket as well. The one that we got right here is by a brand called Goodpick. Let me actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first get the product, you can definitely see how it's actually fully folded up like this. So let me actually open it up. So once you guys fully open up, this is basically what the product looks right here. So this actually looks like on the outside. Here's what it looks like on the bottom part. And here's what it actually looks like inside right here. So they do give you guys two hand options right here. So one this side and one this side. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to carry around if you guys need to. You can definitely see the design of the product definitely looks pretty nice. It definitely has like a very nice gray and white color design on here. But they do have this available in many other colors as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which one you want. And they also have this available in different sizes as well. So if you guys want like bigger ones or smaller one, that is up to you guys. But definitely the inside right here is actually very spacious. So if you guys want to store stuff inside like your clothes, your laundry or whatever, you can definitely put a lot of stuff inside right here. And definitely when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels pretty high quality. They do mention that the material that they use on here is like a cotton material, which is pretty nice. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Not like unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product right here, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys trying to look for a portable compact basket that's very similar to the one that we got right here. We actually have like a foldable design like this, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.